Hello students, welcome to online biology tutorials. In this video we will study how Zwitter ion is formed. Before I will explain you Zwitter ion, it is a must to know the structure of a simple amino acid. Right? Students, seems that this is a tough topic, but this is easy. Just stay connected with me till the end and definitely it will be understood. Now the amino acid, they have the simple structure as the amino group on the left, carboxylic acid group on the right, side chain at the top, and then this is the hydrogen atom. Okay, now we have already talked about in the first video. If you have not watched that video, please do watch it. Okay, so in that video we have talked about that there are 20 amino acids, and these amino acids, they differ from each other in their side chain. Now if any amino acid is there in the body and water is there in the body, aqueous conditions are there in the body, then what will happen? So if water is there, then this proton will be donated from the carboxylic acid functional group to the amino group. Because amino group has gained, so it will be written as NH3 plus, and COO will be written minus because it has donated, and this side chain and H group will remain as such, right? So this dipolar ion, why am I saying dipolar ion? Because if you see that this structure which is written on the screen has two charges, positive and negative. So this can also be known as neutral ion because positive are in equal amount to that of the negative. Now this is known as Zwitter's ion. Okay, so this Zwitter ion is a dipolar ion. It is also known as the neutral ion. When amino acids are there in the aqueous medium, then positive and negative charges both are seen. Now further, I would like to take one more concept with the Zwitter ion, which is important to understand, and that is if the conditions are acidic or if the conditions are basic, then what is going to happen? So this is our Zwitter ion, which I have written for you again. Now once the pH is low, when the pH is low, that means which conditions are there? Yes, acidic conditions are there. And you know that in the acidic conditions, H ion concentration will be high. So in this case, what is going to happen? This H ion will be received by this COO minus. So overall, the structure of the Zwitter ion will be modified and it will be written like this. So here you can notice that amino acid has become positively charged. So it is an important point that in the acidic conditions in the body, amino acids get positively charged, right? Now let's see the case if the pH gets high. Now if the pH gets high, that means basic conditions are there. That means OH ions will be high. Okay, so in this case, what will happen? This NH3 plus will donate one H and it will combine with OH to form H2O. So overall, in this case, our Zwitter ion will be modified to form NH2 COO minus, and it will be H. If you notice, in this case, amino acid has become negatively charged. Okay, negatively charged in the case of basic conditions and positively charged in the case of acidic conditions. This is very important. Okay, so once again, let's recapitulate amino acids in our body in the aqueous medium, they show the presence of two ions, and that is known as a dipolar ion or a neutral ion or Zwitter's ion. If the condition is acidic, means the pH is low, means the H ion concentration is high. In that case, the H ion will unite with the COO minus to form COOH. So NH3 plus will remain, and as a result, the charge on the amino acid will be positive. Okay, whereas in the basic conditions, the H will come from NH3 plus. It will unite with the OH to form the H2O, and COH will stay as such. So COO has negative charge, thus the overall charge on the amino acid will become negative. I hope this has now been understood. Do definitely write in the comment box that whether it was easy for you to understand or not. Please do share my channel Online Biology Tutorials with your friends and families to keep me motivated. Stay connected for the next video, whereby we will be discussing the structure of proteins. Thank you.